cows on my hands.
No.
I've got my hand up a cow.
That's nasty. We went on a bit of a shopping spree today. Sammy, what did you buy?
I bought Weird and Crowd's album, Weird Kids.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I bought... Oh no, the bitch sellers left it.
Did you not unwrap it to make sure it was okay? I'm pretty sure if that's what I think it is, a guy sold it to you.
Yeah,
Or is the guy a bitch?
He's a bitch. I got a little cow.
It's a very inquisitive face. It's very cute. It's a fluffy cow.
I got some cows.
Some gloves. Harry Rose.
The bubblegum bottles.
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 The Haribo bottles.
I got another one of the necklaces.
Yeah, she's wearing her other one.
Because I got that one. Oh, that's a bit longer than I remember. That one. And then, I got a key ring. Oh, I got a key ring. And some presents.
She had some very cute Nessie slippers for babies.
Oh,
They have to see the Nessie slippers.
I saw them and I was like, no, I need them. I need them so bad. And look, for their little feetsies.
Our friend is going to have a baby.
Keep them.
What, keep them forever?
Until I have kids, yeah.
Oh, so they're either for Zana's baby or they're for Sam's future babies. Either way, they are adorable. Little Nessies.
Yeah. What did Kirsty buy?
I bought... what did I buy?
Cows.
Oh yes, I have some gloves like Sam's. But I haven't opened mine yet. I bought a stag. But he's all wrapped up because he's delicate. And some... lollies! Y'all. Oh, she bought some...
I bought a
Fridge magnet.
Fridge magnet. And it's got Inverness on because that's where we went today.
We went shopping.
And
that on. A bit orange in the room. She peed on me. She's from the peas.
oh yeah, I threw one peas at her, so I peed on her. Pee on me when you're not strong.
And now we're going to go raid the vending machine.
There's a major problem, and
I can't deal with the thing and the thing.
it's me and him, and marriage is the thing, and...
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was so embarrassing.
I collapsed. But as soon as we got around the corner, I was just like, no, I'm dead. What? Why did it have to be him working?
Why did it have to be me who spoke to him?
You were just like, our drink's stuck. But no, before you were like, oh right, our drink's stuck. We'll get help. And then you got him and you were like, can you help me with the thing and the thing? And he was like, the thing is, yeah, I can try. And then he came out and did it. He just punched his way through like fucking He-Man. He was like, the thing is, yeah, I can try. And then he came out and did it. He just punched his way through like fucking He-Man. And I was like, I sorted out your thing and the thing. Anything else? And I was like, oh my god, yeah, everything.
No, it's good, it's good.
And like,
He's kind of beautiful.
yeah.
His fucking voice.
That's it. That's the... If he had like one of our accents...
I mean, his voice and then his smile and then
Oh
the
my
way
God,
he's
yeah.
just kind of like casual. He just punched his way for a fucking vending machine.
I know, he's just like, huh, got it. It was literally just like...
It was a cross between...
Oh my god. Couldn't you like secretly film them?
We might have to go back and then be like, oh, right, sorry. I kind of got like a broken light.
What's your name?
Will you marry me?
Hi Chris, how are you? You You're beautiful.
Wait, what?
Can I put your body in a bag and then in a river? What? I'm bad at this flying thing. See how red I went? I saw my reflection in the vending machine.
It's the thing! You were gonna do it! You were gonna do it! Oh my god!
Oh no, I think I stopped it. Oh no, I didn't.
You were gonna say, I think I saw my vending thing in the thing.
Your vending thing.
You can't function when someone that hot comes out. He's just like, hey, what can I do for you? You're like, oh, fucking words, English. I don't know. Oh, and I nearly wet myself.
Oh, let's face it.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Because you realise I just embarrassed the both of us in front of the hottest reception guy to live.
No. Oh, he's what the?
He's a dickhead.
I think I love him.
Already, you've only met him twice.
Yeah, he's Scottish though.
Three times because he gave us directions.
He's Scottish, so you know.
So that immediately makes it okay.
Yeah. I mean, we've met him 3 times, but I did follow him through town. I mean, he was walking through the street, and I might have been walking through the street at the same time.
We were walking in the opposite direction.
Yeah. I'd love it if she's just standing outside the door, like, I can hear every word you're saying, guys. Every word.
You're going slightly red at the thought, I can tell.
No, I was just thinking, did the door shut before we fell or after?
I'm not sure.
Because if he hadn't... What if he was following us?
No, because that other family came in, remember? And we're asking him questions as we kind of ran screaming down the corridor.
He retreated.
He ran
Where's
from
the CCTV that's shown on the front desk?
And he just goes around the back and goes, "What happened?" And there's just the two of us on the floor like,
because I literally got on my knees and went onto my face.
I can't really remember, but I think I ended
You
up on the
went
floor.
sideways. I went...
We kind of screamed and died, and then got up and then ran into our room. We did the vending machines. Sammy, what did we get?
We got Haribo, Doritos, Bueno, Peanut Butter Kit Kat Chunky, Lion Bar, and Drifter, which is possibly the worst name for a chocolate bar ever.
Potentially.